These songs that are composed in our grand entries, our grand entry songs, our flag songs, our victory songs, they all encompass of what it means to celebrate and gather and to remind us of who we are, where we come from. So today we celebrate, today we dance, today it reminds us of all the victories we've overcame throughout the past, through all the victories that we are still alive here, yet living our culture, dancing the way we want, dressing the way we want, speaking the way we want. It's it's the it's that language of who we are.
The drum is such a powerful thing in our nation. When that drum beat goes, that's our heartbeat from Mother Earth.
What I found powerful standing there was in the middle of the grand entry was to see these strong veterans and elders and those who are elders who are dancing, leading the way, having carried these traditions right through, and then to see the tiny tots and the little warriors and the proud parents and aunties and uncles and mothers and fathers and brothers and sisters and mushums and cookums who are making sure that these upcoming generation is going to be grounded in their cultural and identity. And that is good for everyone. That is good for creating the leaders of tomorrow in our province.
Veterans from Indigenous and minority groups did not and have not enjoyed many of the benefits offered by the Royal Canadian Legion. There is an urgent need to invest in new ideas and resources and compassion to improve the quality of life of all veterans across Canada. A Memorandum of Understanding will be signed by the Royal Canadian Legion and the Saskatchewan First Nations Veterans Association, and this is a positive step forward and will serve as a foundation for work going forward. What we hope to achieve together is to reconcile, reimagine, and rebuild.
It's been very emotional watching our dancers. You know, we're here again, we're singing again, we're praying again, we're gathering again. And when we look at our circle here, when we talk about protocols, when we talk about our traditions, our values, our customs, the good ways of our people, you know, those are what's so important that makes us who we are.